Greetings and welcome. This was my hair back in August of 21. I decided I was ready to freeform lock my hair again. Here I am in October, and by December, my hair was locked. Then I decided, I'm not ready for this after all. So I combed them out. And thus far, I got a lot of breakage. As you see, my hair is much shorter and I am hurt. And then my new growth journey began. Now I pack this conditioner on until my hair is fully saturated. I massage it in and work it through, and I can feel my hair changing. I can feel my hair coiling up and curling up. I love to work it through and squeeze it in like a sponge, and I know every strand is saturated. This is such an amazing conditioner, and it has great slip. It's time to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Since I am setting my hair wet, there will be shrinkage, and I don't mind spraying my hair down with aloe vera juice 2 to 3 times in a day. I usually kept this style for about 2 days before I took each ponytail down to grease my scalp again and re-moisturize my hair. And then 2 days after that, being the fourth day, wetting my hair and resetting again. I know this seems like a lot of manipulation, but my hair is moisture trained and it loves the manipulation, the massaging, and the combing through. Also, my hair loves it when I get the shed hair out. When I leave the shed hair in, the longer I leave it in, the more tangled my hair will get. Here I am about 4 days later, repeating the same regimen or something similar. Actually, around this time, I started trying some Blue Magic products, and I actually finished about 2 jars of that product. I used a leave-in conditioner that I like very well when I'm wearing my hair in a wet set. And eventually I ended up buying the Blue Magic grease. I think it was the blue one. And I used that whole jar. On my hair only. I never did grease my scalp with it because of the ingredients. I was leery of that. But I did use the jar on my hair. And it was decent for wet sets only because it kept my hair super moisturized where it would stay in a shrunken state. But after giving it a fair chance and giving it a try, 2 full jars, it may have actually been 3 because I do remember buying the Indian hemp version, which is the clear version. But however, I decided that my pomade and my shea butter wins. The ingredients are healthy and I feel stress-free about putting that in my hair. As you see, something else I love to do, and to this day I still do, is saturate my hair in, what is it? Castor oil. These are some of the things I did to grow my hair back in 2022. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching.